There's health insurance and life insurance, but what about relational insurance? You know, when life throws you a curveball, who's going to be there for you? Who will lend an ear for a heart-to-heart or a shoulder to cry on? Who's going to be there in not only the sunshine, but also in the storm? That's why we need to consider relational insurance. The only way to procure relational insurance is to make meaningful social connections and build community. And for anyone who's tried, you know that building a community takes time and patience. And for the optimizers out there, I get it. You might be thinking, well, I've streamlined important aspects of my life so that I can crush it professionally and still have the time to get after my health goals. And that takes up a lot of time. I get it. I hear you. From one optimizer to another, that is absolutely fantastic in so many ways. But let me ask you this. How strong is the social fabric in your life? On your journey to optimization, has your quest to build and maintain friendships fallen by the wayside? Have your social circles shrunk? If so, you may want to consider that not all aspects of life need to be optimized. Since friendships take time, they're not particularly designed for optimization. All of these things take time. Driving or commuting to a cafe to meet a friend. Preparing a meal for a potluck or a dinner party that you were invited to or are hosting. Investing time calling and Zooming with someone. Going on social outings. Driving to a gym to work out with friends rather than working out in your home gym or in your basement, just rolling out of bed and playing a YouTube fitness video, right? So all of these things, all of these types of social activities take up time, energy, and the ROI, your return on investment, is not always positive. That being said, and this is why we're talking about maybe not optimizing in the arena of friendship, when you do take the time and you invest in someone and have a positive return on investment, that person might turn into a lifelong friend that you couldn't imagine not being in your life anymore. So I encourage you to consider doing a long-term cost-benefit analysis and not a short-term cost-benefit analysis. While taking time to make and maintain friends might take away from some short-term optimization, some of the investments you make will pay off in the long run. And those are going to be those special friends that you have throughout your entire life, through thick and thin, going on the path with you, being part of that journey. When we look back on life, does happiness stem from the things that we've bought and accumulated, or from the shared experiences that we've created with people that we care about? While optimizing enriches our lives in so many ways, maybe the social aspect can't be optimized, and that's just the point. When running a long-term cost-benefit analysis, we'll recognize the importance of having a crew we can count on. We'll have that relational insurance for those stormy days, and that, my friends, comes from not optimizing. All right, Explearners, thank you so much for joining me for this lesson. I hope that you enjoyed it. Feel free to give it a big thumbs up if you're watching on YouTube, and if you're listening to our podcast, make sure that you leave us a nice review, and you can leave up to 5 stars wherever you listen to your podcasts on. I really appreciate you taking the time to spend it with me here today and enrich your life. And I will see you in another Explearning lesson. In the meantime, if you are also looking for some English language practice, if you are a second or third language learner of English, and you want to improve your English pronunciation, your speaking skills, your conversation skills, your listening comprehension English skills, then definitely check out Advanced English, our YouTube channel, our podcast, and our website, advancedenglish.co. All right, I will see you in the next Explearning lesson, and maybe even Advanced English if you decide to join me there as well. Until then, keep up the awesome work, and I will see you very soon.